So you just got a LaCie hard drive and you're wondering how to actually use it? Good news. You don't need to do anything complicated to get started. Out of the box, LaCie drives come pre-formatted as ExFAT. That means they already work on both Mac and Windows, so you can drag and drop files right away without any setup. But here's where people get confused. You only need to reformat if you're dedicating the drive to one system. If you're Mac only, reformat to APFS or macOS Extended for older drives or Time Machine backups. If you're Windows only, go with NTFS, but keep in mind Macs can only read, not write to it. ExFAT is the default for a reason. It just works everywhere. And if you do want to change it, here's how. On Mac, open Disk Utility. On Windows, open Disk Management. Select your drive, click Erase or Format, choose the file system you want and confirm. Thank you for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next video.